channel and to another episode of Mandala Art series. So as you can see, this is the design from my previous video, and today I will show you the first step of creating mandala art, that is making the grid or the layout for this design. So as you can see, I've already created this grid for my next pattern, which will be coming up soon. So this has circles of different sizes, and these circles are divided by lines at certain angles. Now depending upon how detailed or delicate pattern you want to create, these lines will vary. So let's begin. Before I'll tell you the materials that are required for creating it, first is you need a scale, a 30 centimeter or a 15 centimeter. You need a compass, lead pencil, eraser and a protractor. So the one that I have is 180 degrees. So nowadays you also get it in 360 degrees. If you have that, it is much easier in creating the grid. If not, even this works okay. And last, you need micro tip pens for creating a design. Now these also vary from 0.02 to 1.2. Now depending upon how delicate the design you want to create, you can choose the size accordingly. Okay, so let's begin. So first thing that you're going to do is divide the page and find the center. So now that a basic grid is complete, first you can create lines at different angles. I did it at 10 degrees. You can do it at 20, 30, 35, 40, whichever you prefer. Again, if you want to add more circles, you can do that. If you want to add more lines while creating the design, you can do that. It completely depends on you while you're creating the pattern. Now for example, if I want to add a little pattern over here, so I can draw a little arc over here, or maybe I want to add something here, so I can add something like this. Maybe I just want to in this area. So that's absolutely your choice. Same goes with the lines. So if I want another line in just this section, I can do that. Or maybe I want to add, something like this or something like this. You can do that. There is no hard and fast rule on creating the pattern. Secondly, I have created this grid really dark so that it's clearly visible on the video. But when you are making it, make sure you make it really light, because you don't want it to be visible once you're completed with your design, right? So this is all about today's video. In the next video, I'll be showing you the basic patterns and the basic designs that are used to fill this grid, creating it into a beautiful art piece. Till then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do it and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates and notifications.